This video is for anybody who is home and has to do some sort of education, teaching, or learning using only a phone. Hey, this is Scott Weingivowitz, a storyteller with a camera talking about all the things photographers like you and I are thinking about. And in this video, I'm diverting from my normal routine. At the time I'm recording this, there is a pandemic going on with the coronavirus. By the time that you see this, it might be done. I don't know. But I am seeing a lot of people either taking classes or teaching classes and only using their phones and not doing it in the most optimized way. So I thought I would share how you can better use your phone to handle the video aspect of your classes and make it look a little bit nicer with very little effort. This is a very inexpensive tripod from ProMaster. For this, you don't need a fancy tripod. You don't need a heavy tripod. It could even be the cheapest $20 plastic tripod, but you need to make sure it can get to at least like neck height. Preferably eye level, but if you can get it to neck height, that is perfectly fine. The goal here is actually to get this mounted right here. And there's a bunch of ways you can do that, one being getting a case that has a tripod screw in it, but I've got a better idea for you. Because here's the thing, your phone will change over time. You're gonna have a bigger phone, maybe a little smaller phone, maybe a little bit thicker, maybe a bigger case, whatever. And maybe sometimes you need your phone like this, and sometimes you need your phone like this. So how can we accomplish that? Well, there are a variety of products that are made to hold phones on the top of a tripod. And I wanna show you my preferable method. This is one example of one of those devices. This is a little spring-loaded clasp that holds your phone in place. This one will not hold the iPhone 10 or larger, so I don't recommend this one. But if you've got a smaller phone, then sure, this would hold. This would actually go, it has a screw on the bottom, but right now I have it for a hot shoe for the top of a camera. If I wanted to have my phone on the top of a camera, I could do that. Not my preferred method though. This is the Glif, and I will link to this in the description below, but this is what I recommend for everybody because it is very versatile. First of all, there is a strong locking clamp here to keep it in place when you're ready to put your phone there for a while. It is also spring-loaded, but you can actually lock it at pretty much any length. And it will even hold a large, what's that right now? Was it iPhone 11 Pro Plus, whatever it's called? iPhone, whatever it is, the large iPhones it'll even hold. But what's really awesome about this is not the fact that it's just a really strong, solid clamp for a phone, but there are 3 mounting points for this. You can mount it to the top of your tripod with a normal screw like this, or like that. That means you can mount it like this, or you can mount it portrait by just sliding it down and mounting it like that. And either way, it is going to hold. That means no matter how your camera is, or depending on your phone, depending on the tripod and everything like that, you might even be able to charge your phone at the same time. So that's a win-win. Now I recommend that whenever possible to have your phone in this horizontal landscape positioning, so that way it's more natural to your viewer's eyes. And also, you will potentially see more, and your viewers will also see more this way than they would this way. Now here's the coolest part about this. Let's say your tripod is not like this, where it's just a screw top. Let's say it is a quick release plate, like this. You can actually screw on your quick release plate and then still clamp it right to the top of your tripod like that. And it's easy. This is how you get better video quality out of your conferencing when you're using your phone, because you can actually have your tripod at either eye level or practically eye level instead of having it too low and everybody looking up under your nose. That's not very flattering. I mean, what looks better, this or this? Obviously, both aren't great because they're still phones, but it's better than nothing. But it's better than the alternative. That's better. So there you have it. Inexpensive tripod, inexpensive clamp that's very versatile, and you are solid. You are good to go. Get to teaching, get to learning. Enjoy.